What do you see when you look under the hood of a grape bike? Do you see the hours spent on product development? Or do you see the result of great team chemistry? Do you see the time put into research and development, or the endless hours spent on details? Do you see the energy that goes into building a first-class product? Or do you see great work culture? Do you see the cutting-edge tech and first-class engineering? Do you see the effort we put in when product testing? And the pride we feel when our product leaves the factory line. What we see is the future of bike riding. And once you see the future, there's no going backwards.